everyone. Our topic for today is the verb tenses. No tense. There are 3 simple tenses and 3 perfect tenses. So let's start with the present tense, which is happening now. We can give example is I dance at City Mall. So next is the past tense, which what has happened yesterday or 5 minutes ago. So future tense, what will happen? What will happen in the future? Like tomorrow and next year or next month. Just like that. So let's start with the present tense. It tells something that exists at the present moment. So we have example, which is the student are in the basketball court, which is right now. The next is the salad smells sour at this moment. The present forms of action verbs are used to tell the repeated or regular and habitual action. So in present tense, you can use forms of action verbs that are used to tell repeated or regular and habitual. The example will be the chore sings every night. The family goes to America every summer. The present forms of action verbs are also used to tell something that is generally true at all times. So the present forms can tell the true and also the generally true at all times. So the example will be all living things need oxygen. So it basically true. And also the sun sets in the west, which is generally true also. So let's proceed on the past tense. It indicates the event that happened at a specific time in the past. So we can say that yesterday will be the past tense also. And we can put also 5 minutes ago, which is it can be counted as the past tense. So the example of past tense will be the mother was in Italy 5 years ago. So we use was. Next is they came at 2:30 this afternoon, which is came. Then lastly is we heard about the good news yesterday. So we use heard. So let's proceed on the future tense. Future time is shown by shall or will with the present form of verb. So in future tense, we can use the present form of the verb. So the example is I'm going to leave for Canada in December. So the future tense will be I'm going. Then lastly is we will listen, which is the future tense will be we listen. So let's proceed on the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. It is formed by using has or have with the past participle of the verb. So we use has to have to indicate the past participle of the verb. This used to express an action or state of being at the some indefinite time in the past. So we use the past participle of verb and also the action to express. The example of present perfect tense are they have heard the story many times. So the present perfect tense is have and also the heard. Next is Anna has already seen the movie. The present perfect tense is has and also the seen. Present perfect tense usually shows an action that begins in past. So in present perfect tense, they use also past and goes on the present or to an indefinite closely related to present. So in present perfect tense, they use past to present. Use the present perfect tense to show an action that began in past and still going on. The example are, the children have waited since 8 o'clock in the morning. So, it's a still waiting. Next is, Anna has lived in Manila for 6 years. So, we can say it still living in Manila because Anna lived in Manila. Use the present perfect tense to show an action that began in past and was finished at an indefinite time but closely related to the present and future. Example will be, I have already finished reading those books. So already done. The girls have been absent for a week. So we still be absent. Proceed on the present continuous and progressive tense. The present continuous progressive tense shows an action as a process that is incomplete now but will end. With an adverb of frequency, the continuous can show habitual action, and in certain situation, it can show future action. The present continuous progressive tense to show an action is a process that is going on now. So we use ing to indicate the present continuous progressive tense. The example is, the cat is chasing rat. The present continuous progressive tense is chasing. Next is, the children are playing basketball. So we use ing in playing to indicate present continuous. So the present continuous progressive tense are playing. To show habitual action is often with the idea of showing dislike or disapproval. So the present continuous is, we use dislike or disapproval. The example is, the cat is usually chasing the rat. The present continuous progressive tense is chasing. Next is, the girls are always eating much. So we use present continuous. The word is eating. Next is, to show the future action is look forward to now. So in the present continuous, to show the future action, that is look forward to now. The example is, my parents are arriving from Manila at 9:30 tomorrow morning. So we use are arriving to present continuous progressive. So let's proceed on the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense shows action in the past that happened before some other action in the past shown by the past tense verb. So in the past perfect tense, we use the past tense verb which to indicates the happened before. The example of past perfect tense is, before Carol came here, she lived in Canada for 2 years. So we use came, which is the simple past, to indicate the past perfect tense. So next is, we use had lived, past perfect. So we use ed to indicate it is past perfect tense. Also, the came is the simple past to show the duration with emphasis in the length of time of an act that is no longer going on. The example is, Jenny was training her dog for 4 years. So we use the past continuous was and training. For an action in the past that was not completed in the time mentioned, Sheila was trying to clean the garden last week. So it indicates did not complete cleaning because we use was and trying for action that was going in the time in the past when something else happened. So the example, so I forgot Janet. Janet and I were reading a William Shakespeare story when she arrives. So we use past continuous that we're reading. So we both reading. The last past perfect continuous to show that an action in the remote past was temporary or that the time is lasted was important or that an action was going to on when something else happened. The example is John had been trying to pass the examinations for 2 years before he finally passed it. So is the past perfect continuous had been trying. So the last is the future perfect tense. So the formula of the future perfect tense is will and also have. And the past participle of the main verb shows an action that will be completed in the future. The example of future perfect tense is I will have trained these dogs by the end of this month. So we use will and also have to indicate the future perfect tense, and also we use the past participle train, which is the train. So that's all, guys. I hope you learn more about this, the verb tense.